Hey y'all, today is May 3rd and today is the last day of classes at BU, and so I don't have to sleep here anymore. So I end today and then there's like a study period and finals start next week. And so I have 4 finals. I have linear algebra, calc, physics, and chemistry, and so I'll be coming back to take those finals, but they're only like an hour or 2, so I'm not gonna stay here during that period. I'll just come and take the final and then maybe like go to lab or something. So that means I have to pack up this stuff. I have a month. We have until the 22nd of May to move out, because they have to give us a reasonable time after finals to get all of our stuff packed up and stuff. So I'm gonna start taking like a little bit each time. That way I just don't have all the stuff that I need to take. And since I'm not sleeping here anymore, I can kind of clean up the bed and I can take all of my stuff on my desk and clean out the drawers in the closet. So it's right now, it is 9:49. My first class is at 11:15 and that's my only class of the day. And so I'm gonna try and like tidy up for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna try getting the stuff that I need for today, and we're gonna go eat breakfast before my first class. I just worked in my closet. It's now empty and I have 3 things of bins, and that's all my closet and the first drawer of this drawer. So my dad, when he comes and picks me up today, is gonna bring some another big box, and so that'll be plenty for the rest of my stuff because it's just like little gadgets, knickknacks here and there. Now I'm just gonna pack up and we'll go to the dining hall. Finally got myself out of my apartment. That took way longer than I thought this morning. It's now 10:09, so we're still unpack. We're gonna go to the dining hall now, and we'll see what they have for breakfast. Do a fit check. Ready? So it's like overcast and I think it's gonna rain today. So I'm not sure sneakers is a great option, but I didn't have any other options. I'm wearing my mom's jacket. I'm wearing this like HLHS shirt. I'm wearing leggings and sneakers. And it's definitely gonna rain today. It's like humid and around like 50 degrees, which is like my weather, but not the rain. I got myself some eggs and now I'm making a waffle. I think I'm gonna go get some like omelet, but like without the egg. We'll see. I'm in line for an omelet. I made myself half a waffle and eggs, and then I have yogurt and pineapple and an omelet. And I asked her for no egg, but she didn't hear me, I guess. So there's vegetables in there, so I might just eat the vegetables. I will go on my phone, check my emails and Instagram messages and stuff, and then maybe I'll watch some YouTube this morning. I just finished breakfast. I ended up eating like just the vegetables out of that omelet. I'm very full now, and now I'm going to go to Calc Lecture. It's my last Calc Lecture, although my professor said that he'll have a review session on Friday, but
It's the last time I'll see him. So excited.
Look at the pretty trees. It's like spring.
So weird. I feel like they flowered last night because it wasn't this way yesterday, I don't think. Oh, and there's little flowers over there too. Spring is here. Lecture is in Metcalf, which is the science building. Don't ask why. But here we are. Oh, it's been a year here. I had physics lecture, physics lab, and then chemistry lecture, chemistry lab, chemistry pre-lab, and calc lecture in here. So I've basically lived in this building this entire semester. I'm peeing inside while I wait for the bus so that I don't get drenched in the rain. I'm done hiding out. Oh, why is my camera so dirty? There you go. Now I'm walking to the bus stop. And it's still raining a little bit, but not nearly as bad as earlier. And I got these for my lab mentor's kid. He's so cute. He's like 3. And I got sushi for her. And now I'm excited to go to lab and see what I have to do. I'm not sure how today is gonna go because yesterday my experiment didn't work, question mark? I thought it didn't work, but then I called my lab PI yesterday and she's like, oh, it worked, it's just faint. And I was like, okay, so I'm not sure. I'll have to ask her because my lab mentor was not in yesterday. Yesterday she was sick. So excited to see her. Calm Ave on a rainy day looks very depressing. The Calm Ave bus is here. Usually the one that I need to go on goes after. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it in the distance. Update, I got on the bus and it's very wet on here, but I'm gonna continue reading. This is like, I'm like halfway through. It's a really good book. I made it. The bus ride is actually pretty good today. I read a couple pages, like 2 chapters before I got here. And every single time I come, we have to cross the street and it's always like the stop sign. So I'm gonna wait and cross the street and then I'll be there. The sky is clearing up. We're in the sketchy elevator. I'm at lab now. I didn't vlog anymore today after I went to lab, but basically I went to lab from 1 to 6 and we did like a variety of things. I did a lot of lab organization and then I sorted fish with Xiaodan in Hunger Engineering, and then Hunger Engineering and I then went to my dining hall to eat because they wanted to try dining hall food and I warned them that it would not be good. They didn't believe me. So we went to the dining hall and then we were there from 6 until 9 and it's 9:51 right now. We went to the convenience store after so that I could use up some more dining points and I got some more stuff like a juice, I don't know where it went. And then I went back to my apartment and I packed some more stuff. So I have some of the stuff I packed and there's 2 big boxes in the trunk. And then now I'm heading home and it's 9:51, so I'll probably get home at around 10. I just made it home and this is the stuff that I packed. I have like random things, but yeah. So this is about like half my stuff. I didn't bring bedding or anything in my drawers home, and that'll happen next week when I go back. But for now I'm very tired and I'm going to bed, so I'll sort through all this tomorrow. And yeah. See you. By the way, it is exactly 10:30, so I was totally on it with my time guessing. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to bed. I'm very tired. It's been a day. I can't believe I spent 3 hours eating. Like, I was having so much fun with those people from lab. I did not expect to be eating for 3 hours. Anyways, I had fun. See you.